Yeah, man. Star Seed here once again, Yeah. So today we're going to talk about some people, how some people stay. You have some people where you have to call them breaking news. Anything they catch and run with it. Nothing stop them. Them coming like a speed of light. Remember me tell you that. Right? So here we are going now. You have some people around here who say, them are your friend, but they are not. Those are what you call fake friend. You know what is true friend. So don't tell me about fake friend. Alright. So here we are going now. You ever there in some group or some company and you and them a flex and everything good and something go down. You don't even know about it. But you make a flex and you were in the group, right? Next thing you know, your name upon the show. Be things and things. One way yourself and one. Make people get heated. Right? Remember now, you know say nothing. And you go on and dig and go on and you not find out nothing because the others them with them, I back up each other. You see what I say? But here we are going on now. Some people lie upon you and put you in prison. You understand what I say? Just see you, not like you, and say, yo, we're going to get rid of him. And not just eat that. Plain, simple fact. Some people just see them, don't know why them not like you. But them just want to get rid of you. You understand what I say? Here we are going on now. People who are on a positive level never think them way there. So that means say, them people who are think them way, say them energy low and them sharp on it. You understand what I say? Now here we are going. You ever notice when you need some help, you help others, right? But you're getting a little jam and you want some help. And the same people them when you help, you run back to. I look a little help. You know find out them say, can't help you. Plain and simple. Like for real, like I know me bill the last week, you couldn't even pay your rent and me help you. Yo, you can't payment dog and me help you.